Welcome to Concept Craft. We are presenting step-by-step videos training to crack your certification exam, so you can gain the confidence to take on any accounting challenge. Now let's begin our today's lesson. Customizing reports. Learning outcomes. In this lesson, we'll cover customizing reports in QuickBooks Online to meet the needs of clients. Topics: customizing reports from the header section. Further customization options. Saving the customization. Pro Advisor Challenge. Give your clients exactly what they need. To make the right decisions about their business, clients need the right access to their financial data. However, standard reports might not present the information they're after in the most meaningful way. How can you and QuickBooks Online help? QuickBooks Online allows your clients to customize reports in different ways, depending on the type of report they're running. That way, clients can zoom into the exact details they need to make sound business decisions. Customizing reports from the header section. Several customization options are available within the report's header section. In this example, we use a summary report, such as a profit and loss report. However, note that the options differ depending on the report, so some options presented here don't appear in all reports. Select each of the highlighted areas to find out more. The report period section allows clients to select or customize the time range for the report to cover. In summary reports like this profit and loss, the display columns by option allows clients to display data grouped in columns by period, customer, vendor, classes, product and service items, etc. If the show non-zero or active only option appears on the report, it allows clients to refine further which accounts to show in the report. The active option hides empty rows or columns. The non-zero option hides rows or columns where the total is 0. The all option shows everything. In certain reports, the compare another period can be used to compare financial data from multiple time periods, including a custom period, and even display the changes in percentages or dollar amounts. The reorder columns link also makes it easy to change the order of these columns. The accounting method radio buttons allow clients to choose whether only to display money paid or received in the defined period or include invoices and bills dated during the reporting period, regardless of whether or not they've been paid. The collapse/expand option allows clients to expand or collapse all categories in the report at once. Clients can collapse or expand individual categories by selecting the small arrows next to the relevant lines in the report. The sort option can sort the report by total in ascending or descending order. The Add Notes option allows clients to add a note to display, print, or export with the report. Notes added here appear in the bottom left corner of the report. The See a Chart option takes clients to the Performance Center to view visual charts related to the report. To learn more about the Performance Center, check out the Using the Performance Center lesson. The Edit Titles option allows clients to customize the section heading used in the report. As with many of the options, what clients can customize from the grid gear icon depends on the report. For example, in this profit and loss report, it can only be used to compact the report, but in other reports, it can allow the displayed columns to be defined. After adjusting the customization in the report, make sure to select Run Report to refresh it. Selecting the heading area allows clients to include the logo, if there's a default one connected with the company, and edit the company name or the report title. Selecting the Customize button opens up a drawer on the right with many more options divided into sections. We'll look at these next. Pro Advisor Tip. Instead of some of the options presented above, detail reports include the option to group columns from the header section, and aging reports offer options to choose the aging method and specify the aging periods. Further customization options. Selecting the Customize button from the top right of the report opens up the Customize report drawer on the right. This drawer offers further customization options organized into collapsible categories. Note that, as with the options from the header section, the customization options in the Customize report drawer depend on the report being used. Select the drop-downs to find out more about the different categories. General. The General section offers some of the options also available from the report screen header. However, it also allows additional editing options to modify the number format or define how negative numbers are displayed. Rows/columns. The options in the Rows/columns section depend on the report, but in many cases, it offers similar options of that in the header section. In other cases, as illustrated in the image below, this section allows clients to check or uncheck the boxes they want to display or hide from the report. The small grip icon to the left of each box makes it easy to reorder columns. Aging. For aging reports, there's an additional aging section where clients can choose the aging method and set the number of days in the aging period and the number of aging periods to show on the report. The two ways to categorize any outstanding receivables or payables are the following. Current. Due status will be based on the current date. Take the example of a client who has two open invoices, one that was open at the end of last month but has since been paid and another that was open at the end of last month and is still open. The current option won't include the paid invoice on the report because it isn't currently due, but it will include the invoice that is still open. Report date. Due status will be based on the report date, that is, the status of any outstanding receivables on a specific date. This option would display both invoices from the previous example if they were due on the date of the report. Filter. The filter option allows clients to select what they want to display in the report. Selected filters appear at the top of the list, and clients can choose the specific details they want to appear. Note that the specified option only shows transactions that are labeled, while the not specified option only shows transactions where the field is blank. This could be useful, for example, if clients wanted to see transactions with no class assigned or filter for customers who haven't been assigned terms. The filtering options vary depending on the report, but some of the most common filters are: detail reports offer more filtering options such as distribution account, customer, vendor, employee, location, class, product/service, payment method, account, due date, created date, transaction type, including posting and non-posting, cleared status, A/R paid, A/P paid, last modified date, check printed, sales printed, billable, customer taxable, memo, number, shipped via, product/service taxable. Clients that have set up custom fields can also filter reports by the custom fields. For more information on how to use custom fields, check out the Customizing Sales Forms lesson. Note that some filtering options don't have a drop-down field from which to select. In these text-only fields, the text entered in the filter must be contained in the field entry. For example, if the crew number is 1234, entering 123 brings up any transactions with crew numbers that contain 123, including 1234 or 5123. Header/footer. The header/footer section allows clients to customize the header and the footer. For the header, they can decide whether they want to include the company logo or the reporting period, and they can also change the company name and the report title. Note that these customization options are also accessible from the header section of the report. Clients can also select whether to show the date and time the report was prepared and the accounting method in the footer, as well as the alignment for this information. If clients want to add further details to the header or the footer, they can export the report to Excel or create a management report. For more information about creating management reports, check out the Management Reports lesson. Saving the customization. Once clients have customized the report, they can save it or export it. Saved reports appear in the Custom Reports tab of the Reports Center. Select the highlighted areas to find out more about the saving and exporting options. Selecting Save Customization opens the options below. Use the Custom Report Name field to enter a unique name for the report to be easily identifiable. Note that this can differ from the heading on the report. From the Add this report to a group dropdown, clients can put the report into groups for better organization. The Add New Group option also allows them to create groups. The Share With dropdown allows clients to share the report with other users. The Firm Only option shares it with accountant users with access to this client, while the All Users option gives access to firm and client users with reporting access. When the Share Reports with Community option is checked, QuickBooks Online saves and offers the structure of the customized report to other QuickBooks Online subscribers. Note that this shares only the customizations of the base report, not the data. Make sure to select Save to complete saving the customization. Selecting the envelope icon allows you to email the report to any recipient. Emails can be customized and will be sent from QuickBooks at notification.intuit.com. Selecting the printer icon offers the option to print the report, choose the orientation, and decide which pages to include in the printed document. The export icon allows clients to export the report to Excel or PDF. For clients with QuickBooks Online Advanced subscriptions, there's also the option to export to Google Sheets. Pro Advisor Tip: QuickBooks Online saves the report settings, not the data in the report. For example, if the report date is set for the period last month and clients save the report in September but open it again in December, the report will show data for November, not August. Summary: Learning outcomes. Well done. In this lesson, we covered customizing reports in QuickBooks Online to meet the needs of clients. Knowledge recap. The many customization options in QuickBooks Online allow clients to easily access the data that matters to them and in the format they prefer. Next steps. In the next lesson, we'll look at how to create management report packs in QuickBooks Online.